Welcome. Let's understand interlocking for single busbar earthing. Next, in this video, we will discuss interlocking condition for single busbar with busbar earthing switch. Let's understand nomenclature used here. Q15 is busbar earth switch. Next, Q15 is switchable if conditions 1 and 2 are fulfilled. That is, busbar or switch crank is not inserted and end position interlocking is not activated, and all busbar disconnector associated with busbar are open. Next, to know more about air insulated substation and gas insulated substation, you may enroll to this course. One is all-in-one course on electrical substation design and engineering, and other course is all-in-one course on gas insulated substation or switchgear GIS installation. Dear avid learner, thank you so much for your patience and time. Stay tuned. We will discuss more technical stuff in upcoming videos.